Climate change is shaking things up worldwide in a big way, and the effects are becoming impossible to ignore. As the planet continues to warm, weather patterns are swinging to extremes. Expect scorching heat waves that make summers unbearable and intense storms that wreak havoc on communities. Unpredictable seasons are becoming the norm, leading to confusion in agriculture and affecting food supply chains. Floods and droughts are becoming more frequent, impacting ecosystems and wildlife, while also threatening the livelihoods of millions. These changes are not just temporary, they're reshaping our climate for the long haul. It's crucial to understand these shifts and their implications. Communities must prepare for these extreme weather events and adapt to a new reality. Taking action to reduce carbon emissions and promote sustainable practices is essential for protecting the planet. By working together, everyone can help ensure a healthier environment and a sustainable future for generations to come, making a real difference.